Forex family. This is Pips with Clint, and I just want to thank you for coming to the YouTube channel. I want you to subscribe and like this YouTube channel, share it, and let others know about it. I'm going to work at making you a successful foreign exchange stock trader, the Forex market, scalping, or doing long trades or swing trades, or just whatever it is you seem to find your niche in and what you like once we teach you here. If you want the Candlestick Bible for free, which I suggest you get, give you your basic knowledge of how to read candlesticks, I want you to click the link below or email me at ccarterinvestments@gmail.com and put Candlestick Bible in there, and I'll get it to you. And I want you to continue to watch these videos. I'm going to continue to show you different ways to scalp on the 5, the 15 minute, or if you want to do long trades, we'll teach you that too. I'm going to break it down. We're going to do different scalping videos along with educational videos and different things. So just comment, tell me what you want to learn, and I'll try to get the content out there as quick as I can. Subscribe. Let's make this the #1 channel. My 1,000th subscriber on YouTube will get a free month, which is $100, $115. I'll buy them a free month into the coaching group that I'm part of. That they've each made multiple figures multiple times, and they do live sessions daily multiple times. I send out trade signals to my phone and just all kinds of great stuff. Great platform, great education, great way to make money, whether it's through the foreign exchange market and learning Forex, or whether it's through marketing and showing other people how great of a company it is. Definitely worth it. I wish I would have joined right when I got in Forex. Anyways, I look forward to seeing you next time.